Okay, when I go over here,
I hurt my eye taking my contact out last night, and I wasn't going to put it in again tonight.
okay, there's an orb at the bottom of the bed. Now they're going across the dog. Can one of the orbs of energy please land on the dog so we can hear the beeping? Can you just land on the dog?
Sometimes that dog looks so real and scary. And I've
Okay,
never...
2 went on the
No,
dog.
that looks just like her dog. Look at him. It's her dog. It looks just like her dog. Her real dog.
2 of them landed right on the dog, but nothing's happening. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, they always say if you're here at night, you're here during the day. So I guess you're here all the time.
Oh, that's because they live here, right?
Yep. Wow, Carol, I'm getting orbs like crazy going.
I don't know, because I can't tape because I don't have my phone.